I'm moving. I'm about to build a foot out of cardboard and tape. After time lapse, subscribe and
Hit the bell.
hit the bell.
Anything else? Who's going to help you?
And Mommy's gonna help me and Eli. So.
All right. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Eli, and I'm about to build a foot out of cardboard and tape from help with Mommy and Luke.
Anything else?
Yeah. And Ruben said I don't use our building blocks that day.
Correct. Okay, it's on.
Hi, so we just finished our foot, which is that big cardboard.
Pretty awesome
And
looking.
we use command strips and duct tape to hold the.
Over there, because we can't see you.
And we use duct tape and command strips to hold the cardboard together into the wall.
Command Velcro.
Command Velcro. And we were about to build a table.
Okay, can we see you guys go in and out? No.
And I'm about to go in. I'll bring the cardboard in. You can bring the iPad.
Can you show us your door on the other side?
So right here is one door. There's a window. The window right here. A sign that says keep out. And then right here, if I can just un-Velcro this, we have another door. And Eli is right behind it.
And can we say hi from inside?
Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified
Of new video.
of new videos. Bye.